welcome back to Gurudeva online classes. In last lesson, you have learned about the food habits of animals, herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, food chain, and eating habits of herbivores, carnivores, and omnivores. See, in our surroundings, we are seeing the different types of living things. Example: ox, cow, dog, donkey, tiger, deer, etc. See, in our nature, birds and insects also living things. These are also one of the part in our animal life. Okay. See, in our surroundings, we are seeing the different types of birds. Example: pigeon, parrot, eagle, vulture, sparrow. Okay, not only one or two, many birds are there. Here, some are flying very high and they are moving long distance. Example: pigeon, eagle, sparrow. Okay, they are flying in long distance. Here, some birds are not flying, they are living only on the ground. Example: ostrich, emu, kiwi bird, hen, rooster, peacock, etc. They are living on the ground. Here, the birds are in different color because of their feathers. Some are green in color, some are in white in color, some are brown in color, some are in black in color because of feathers only. Dear children, here we are having the different types of organs in our body. That means parts of the body. See, we have the head, eyes, nose, mouth, tongue, hands, legs. Here the birds are also having the different body parts. Now we are going to learn one by one. Okay, see, here first one, body parts of birds. First one, head. Now tell me, where is your head? Yes, this is the head. Here bird is also having the head. See, this is the head. Do you have this type of bird model? All of you show this. Next, eyes. Where is your eyes? Yes, here is our eyes. See, here birds are also having the two eyes. Two eyes. Next, beak. Do you have beak? No, we are not having the beak, but the birds are having the beak. See, this is the beak. Next, feather. Are you have a feather? No, here the birds are having the feather. Next, wings. See, here the wings. Next, tail. See, this is the tail. Next, legs. Here, these are the legs. Do you have legs? Yes, we are also having the legs. Here, one more part. Toes and claws, or feet and claws. Here, we are also having the feet and nails. Here, instead of nails, we called claws. In next class, we are going to learn about the feet and claws. Okay, my dear students, now we are going to learn about the shape of the body. What we are going to learn? Shape of the body. Shape of the bird. See, here, what is the shape of the bird? Here, the bird is in boat shape. See, all of you observe here, it looks like a boat shape. The bird has boat shaped body. Boat shaped body. Okay. Here at front it is narrow. At front it is narrow. At middle broad. Narrow at front, middle at broad. Okay. Narrow at front, broad at middle. See, this is about the bird's body shape. Here the bird body is boat shape and it is narrow at front and broad at the middle. See, here we are seeing the broad, that means big in size. See, and one more thing, here we are also having the bones. Here the birds are also having the bones. What is the big difference? Here the birds' bones are very thin. How they are? The birds' bones are very thin and there is, we are seeing the hollow space, that means empty space. We can't see the meat in the bird bones. We are not seeing the meat in the bird bones. See, in other animals, example human being, frog, donkey, those bones filled with the meat. So this is the main difference. Our bones is very weight. Here birds bones are lightweight, so they are flying easily in the sky. Here which are not flying in the sky, they have weight bones and they filled with the meat. Okay, see next how they are flying. We are going to learn one by one. See here the birds are having the lightweight feather. How is the feather? The bird's feather are lightweight. Okay, and they are also having the strong muscles. Which type of muscles? Strong muscles. And the muscles are help to the bird flap. What is the use of strong muscles? They are help to the birds flapping. Flapping means in the Kannada we call badiyuvudu. Here strong muscles are push up and down. See, all of you observe in picture or in your surroundings how the birds are flapping their wings. Here they are pushing their wings up and down. Okay, see here already you know that the birds are also having the tail. See, this is the tail. See, what is the use of tail here? The tail helps to the birds to change their direction. What is the use of tail to the bird? The tail is helps to the bird change their direction. Here head is not help to change the direction. Here tail helps to the bird to change the direction. Now tell me which part of a bird helps to the bird to change direction? As tail. Okay. See, now we are going to learn about the feathers. Already you know that feathers are in different color. See, parrot. What is the color of the parrot? As green color, because of feathers are in green color. See, peacock. That is also green and blue color because of feathers. Crow. What is the color of the crow? Black because of the feather color. See, here some birds are in red color, some birds are in white color, some birds are in pink color, some birds are in blue color. We are seeing the different types of colors of birds. Okay, next, here some birds are not wet. Example, crane, duck. Okay, because they are having oily feather. Which type of feather? Ducks and cranes have oily feather. Okay, dear children, now we are going to learn types of feather. Here there are three types of feather. First one is down feather, second one is body feather, and third one is flight feather. Okay, now we are going to learn first type of feather, that is down feather. Okay, see here, now we are going to learn how is the down feather. Here down feathers are soft and fluffy. Soft and fluffy. When we are touching the down feather, we are feeling, when we touch velvet cloth, like that. When we are touching silk, we are feeling like, see, they are very soft. Here down feathers are very soft. Okay, next, see, what is the use of down feather? Here down feathers are help to the birds keep the body warm. Okay, here down feathers are giving heat to the bird's body. Okay, next, second type of bird, that is body feather. Which is the second type of bird feather? Body feather. See, here where we are seeing this type of feather, it covers the bird's body. It covers bird's body. Okay, and it gives shape to the bird. Which feather gives shape to the bird? Body feather. Okay, see, next, flight feather. Okay, here flight feathers are very long feather. And where are we seeing? Here we are seeing the flight feathers on wings and tail. Wings and tail of the bird. Already we know that tail helps to the bird change its direction. Okay, dear students, this is about the body parts of birds, shape of the bird, and types of feather. Okay, now we are going to learn about the beaks. See, dear children, already you saw the beaks in the bird. Here we are seeing the different types of beaks. Here some birds are having the long beak, example crane. Some birds are having the short beak, example sparrow, pigeon, peacock. Some birds are having the curved beak, example eagle, vulture. Here the different types of birds are having the different types of beaks. Okay, here we are seeing the birds in our surroundings in bird sanctuary also. Example in Mysore Zoo, Gudavi forest. Okay, there are many bird sanctuary in our Karnataka. When you are going to the zoo, all of you see the beaks. Okay, here what are the uses of beaks? Now tell me, what are the uses of your hand and fingers? We are using to eat. Okay, we are using hold chalk piece, hold pen. Okay, see here the birds' beaks are also very useful to birds. Example, they are used their beaks to eat the food, to catching insects, to catching animals, to tear the skin of the animals, and beaks are help to the birds to climbing tree also. Okay, this is about the beaks. Now we are going to learn about the types of beaks. Here there are mainly 9 types of beaks. Now we are going to learn 2 types of beaks. That is, first one probe beak, second one is cracker beak. Here probe beak. Here example for hummingbird. Example is hummingbird probe beak. Okay, here already you know that hummingbird is the smallest bird in the world. See, it is sitting our nail also, so like that. Here, observe what is the structure of the beak. They are having the long beak, slender and straw-like structure. They have long beak, slender means thin and straw-like structure. Dear children, all of you observe in the picture. They have thin, slender and straw-like structure. Okay, what is the use of this beak to hummingbird? Here, the probe beak helps to the hummingbird to suck nectar from the flower. To suck nectar from flower. How we are sucking the juice from the straw, like that. It is very useful to hummingbird. Next type of beak is cracker beak. Example for cracker beak: pigeon, sparrow, peacock. There are many examples. Here, what is the structure of cracker beak? They have short, thick, pointed and conical in shape. Short means not too long. See, this is the pigeon. Already I told pigeon is also example for cracker beak. See how it is short and it is also thick and pointed. Okay, like which one? Nail, like sharp, like sharp like that. Next, pointed and conical shape. See, this is we called a conical shape. And what is the use of this beak to pigeon, sparrow and peacock? Okay, they are searching the insect in the ground. They are catching the insects, small worms in the ground. Okay, dear children, this is about the beaks and types of beaks. Thank you, my dear children, watching this video.